In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Grok AI on Windows 10. We'll keep this simple and safe by using the official Microsoft Store listing. That way, you know you're getting the authentic app and updates will come through automatically. First, open your web browser or the Microsoft Store app on your PC and navigate to the Grok AI page. If you're searching, look for the listing titled GrokX, developed on XI Grok API on the Microsoft Store. Take a quick moment to confirm you're on the correct page by checking the app name and that it's coming from a trusted publisher. Make sure your Windows 10 is up to date, you have a steady internet connection, and you're signed in to your Microsoft account. The store may prompt you to sign in before you can install. If the button already says open instead of install, that means the app is already on your device. Next, click install. On some systems, you might see get first, followed by install. The Microsoft Store will begin downloading the files and will handle the setup for you. If Windows asks for permission through a user account control prompt, choose yes so the installation can proceed. In some cases, the store may download a small installer that you need to run. If that happens, open the downloaded file from your browser's downloads tray or from your downloads folder, then follow the on-screen setup. Review the license, keep the default install location unless you have a reason to change it, and leave shortcuts enabled so you can find the app easily later. The whole process typically takes just a couple of minutes. When installation finishes, the button in the store will change to open or launch. Click that to start Grok AI right away. On first run, the app may request basic permissions or show a quick welcome screen. Follow any prompts that appear so the app can function properly. If you prefer to open it later, click Start, type Grok, and launch it from the search results. You can also right-click the icon and pin it to Start or your taskbar for faster access. If the download stalls or you see an error, double-check your connection, make sure you're signed into the store, and try again. A quick restart of the store app or your PC often resolves temporary issues. And that's it. You've successfully installed Grok AI on Windows 10, and you're ready to explore what it can do.